I wanted to take a minute and read this article real quick. This is not a one-off thing. And I know, yes, men also do messed up things. And yes, hatred of women is also a thing. But here's the difference. When it's a man hating a woman or men hating women in general, it's a problem. It's frowned upon. It's rectified. However, when it's a woman hating a man, it's laughed at. It's accepted. It's not funny. Imagine you have a son and all he sees on the internet are women. His mother constantly talking about how much they hate men. They hate him. What about effect do you think this is going to have on this child? And the truth is, some of you don't really hate men. It's just a popular thing to do. And your followers need to get this checked out. This is not a good look for society. Well, these are just my thoughts. What are yours?